Hello everyone, this is Kentosa. Today I'm going to talk about web components. So web components are the things that you're missing when you're browsing websites such as YouTube. If you press F12, if you go to the source page of the YouTube website or any website you will want to see, and then if you click here, you go to properties, you see a bunch of the web components currently running on right now I'm using YouTube, so currently running on YouTube. It also listed for like object, event target, elements, and for elements, you have specific web components such as part, slot. Some of these might be the native web components. Some of them might YouTube developer team create by themselves. So, why everyone or any business should use web components? Because of web components is easy to reuse. So you can import it and use it like in any elements, and it's also embedded in HTML. So it works on React and Angular. And if you are running a company, I think if you decide to create a front end website, I think definitely you should consider web components because of its reusability. It provides consistency so that for your develop team, you don't need to spend time to create on, for example, a time slot or a slot because there's like a slot web components already exist online that you can just copy and use and just a little bit modify yourself. So in this way, you can save your dev team a lot of time and efforts. So you can make them to focus on some features that like nobody else created. So that for the basic front end things, you can use all the web components to save your time and effort, and it also save you money. And for the developers in your develop team, they will be when using web components, they will manage their projects more efficiently because all the web components like consists most of the basic part, and it is easy for the team members to understand and to use because simply just import them. And web components is good because it fit all browser standard. So for all browsers, whenever you use a web component, it will automatically render without problems. So this is the good things about the web components. And if you want to create your own web components, like for example, if you're a beginner, I think you should try out this little element project.org website, which it goes through some very essential steps about create web components. It teach you from the beginning to the end, and if we can see here, it is. It also give you the code that um, is working. For example, let's see this, and whenever you click this card will change. So this is one of the easy web components you can make. And here's all for today. Thank you for watching.